Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's demo, I will show you that how to insert data from the text file and create connection. If you have seen my last video, in that video I have demonstrated you that how to insert data to the through text file to the Excel file, or how to just create connection between Excel file or text file. So in this, last tutorial I have not described about the connection, but in this tutorial I will show you that how to create connection. And once you will create connection between Excel file or text file, then whenever you will change the data in the text file, that changes will automatically will reflect in your Excel file as well. So let's check it out. So right now I have created some connection over here, so I'm going to delete it now. Okay, I will remove it now. I will close it and I will just delete it. Right, so I have just deleted the connection which I have created earlier, right? So before proceeding further, I will show you that this is my text file, not text file, sorry, not this one, this one. This is text. This is a text Excel file, but this is a text file. So once you will open it, then you will see some grocery items over here. So I have to just import this data to the Excel file, and after that we have to just create the connections, right? And if after creating connection, if I will update any string or text here, then automatically these changes will reflect over here in the Excel file. Okay, so I'm going to close it. So first of all, import the data from the text file. So if you have not seen my last video related that how to import the text from the text file, then I will show you how I did that, but I will show you it in a quick manner. Go to the data tab. So here we have from text file. So if you will see the screen tip that is says that import data from the text file, click OK. So this is the location of the text file where I have kept my text file. I will simply select it and import the data. Once I will import the data, then you can see the preview over here, and here there are some options like delimited fixed width, and this is a wizard, text impose wizard. Then I will simply click OK. So here you will see the result like preview, data preview. Data preview means once you will import the data from the text file, then how it looks like. So if I'll just go ahead and click on the next button or finish, then the data will printed only one cell or one row, one column, right? But I do not want like this. Then I will see the delimiter over here. So I have some delimiter like space and comma. So I will go with comma. So if I'll go with comma, then there are three, it will create three different column in my Excel file and it will paste accordingly. Then I will go with the space. Space seems like okay, like right. Space seems okay. So if I'll choose my delimiter to the space, then it will create three different column. So the same way you can just choose and check the delimiter over here. If it is not here, like tab semicolon, so you can give here as well. Whatever the, just like I will give this one, oh, parentheses, and whatever the text you are just have in the text file, then you can use it here. So space is working for me, then I will click next. Then these option you can also explore it, but right now it is working okay. So here we have, this is the data preview. Then I will click on finish. Then if you want to just import the data in next workbook, then you can click here. Otherwise you can choose it manually from here. So right now I have selected A6, so A6 is okay for me. Then I will click OK. Then you can see here that whatever the data we have in the text file, automatically it has been imported, right? So let's talk about connection right now. So I have imported the data from the text file to the Excel file. Now again we will go to the data tab, So here you will see connection object over here, right? Connection options. Just click over here, and then you can see like certain options like add, remove properties. Or I have already created the connection. So once you will update any data into the Excel file, then you will refresh this part, then automatically that changes will reflect over here. But let's move on to the properties option. So once you will open the properties, then this is the connection name, that is text. By default it has taken the text. So this is the prompt for the file name as refresh. Like if I will use, okay, I will show you that what it is basically, what is the mean of this option. So it means that whenever I will, okay, I will go to the text file, and here in this part you can see that it is mentioned bakery, right? A6, in A6 cells you can see that is bakery. If I'll go here, okay, there are multiple instances of Excel is open here, so I will close, and bakery I will change it to the tomato and save it. Save this and close it. But these changes are not reflecting over here. Then I will simply click here refresh. So you can see that this prompt is coming out front of me. So this is the meaning of this prompt for the file on refresh. So if I'll click here, I will select this file and I will click OK. Then you can see that the changes has been reflecting over here. Whatever the text I have changed in the text file, it is just reflecting here like tomato. If I'll go again to this part, and I will change bread to potato. Okay, and I will save it and close it, right? And if I'll go to the property panel, I will uncheck this part and press OK and close it, right? So again I will go to the properties, connection history, and you can see that this part I have changed right now in a text file, and I will refresh it. So now you can see that the prompt is not coming in front of me, right? That wizard is not coming, not popping up then. So in this way you can just play around with these properties things. And here we have another option like refresh everything, refresh every. So let's suppose in text file someone is updating the data every 30 or 40 minutes. So you can just give like time here, like after 40 minutes automatically this file will be just refresh, and the whatever data we have in the text file, it automatically import in this Excel file, right? And there is another option, that is refresh data when opening the file, right? So if I'll choose it and close it and save this file. Okay, where is the save? This is save button. Okay, I don't know which version is my template version 1. Okay, let me save it once again. Add computer, E drive, and this is text import. I will give it the name of this file, text import. Okay, and I will save this file. Now I will go to this file. This is my Excel file name, text import, right? If I'll again go to this file and I will change some text over here, like I will change it to the hello, and this is word. Again I will go, I will write here, let's check, space check, it's working or not. So you can see that my Excel file is, I have just closed the Excel file, and I will save this text file again and close it. So whatever the changes I have done over here in the Excel file, so these changes should be reflect on my Excel file, because I have choose option like when I will open my Excel file, then automatically data will refresh through this connection, whatever I have connection I have created using like a import. I have imported the text file, so there is some kind of connection just created over there, right? There is some query there in a background which is running in a background, and right. So if I'll close it, so let's test this thing. I will click on text import part. Okay, so now you can see that, okay, because my Excel is expired, I think. So you can see that still there is a dairy change, and whatever the changes I have done in Excel text file, it is not reflecting over here. Then I will simply click on enable content. Now you can see that whatever the text I have just new text I have just created in the text file, it is automatically reflecting here, right? The same way you can just so now I think you would be able to understand it. Like if you have if you have a project, like every 30 or 40 minute your text file is changing, and whatever the things you have to do, like whatever, like 30 or 40 minutes your text file is automatically changing, then you can just give it like 40 minutes, it will automatically refresh. So you can just play around with these options. These options are very straightforward, so you can just play around with, right? So in this way you can create connection, and automatically you can just import the data from the text file. So there is not any macro is required, only this connection string is required, which we have created using the data part and using from text file. And if you want to just remove these connections and go to the connection, simply click on the remove and then press OK. So now this connection has been automatically removed, right? So and if you want to create it, so I have already told you, I have already demonstrated you in this video that how can you create the connection string. So I hope you would like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.